What up, YouTube? It's your boy Stu. Just got out here to the first Cars and Coffee since I got my engine built. Got Doggo next to us. Go check some stuff out. Turnout today. It's all like overcast and foggy. The Ranchero. Old Fords. This thing's so nice. 429. Man, look at the front end on this thing. Thing's hella nice. Cougar. Mustang. Nice Nova. Thing's hella nice. And he got AC. That's hella cool. Thing's sick.
It's all M18 stuff, so I'm actually going to take some of mine, leave the M18 shop and take the M12 stuff.
Oh wow.
Because I was up there, I drove my Volvo.
This thing's sick. Holy crap.
But yeah, I think that's that day we were all standing right here talking. Good for you. Are you going to come home? No.
Twin Turbo Continental? I think it's sweet. How's it going?
This is Fern. What's that? This is Fern. Yeah? He's entertaining.
Oh wow. It's not welds. The painted engine bay. Those welds look nice. Excuse me. Damn. The color on this one. Oh damn. A Roadrunner? That sounds hella good. Back to the Chevelle. 67. 68 XR7. He even has the build sheet. That's crazy.
I sent away to Ford. I was reading a magazine one day and
Truck. Oh, Subaru Brat. That's cool.
That's me and my mom.
Don't see these too often. Oh, I got seats in the back.
That's cool, man. That's a house I grew up in. This is.
You actually use the seats too.
Yeah, this was at the beach. My wife was in.
Hella.
Do something like that. I mean, if you don't want the dump and all that.
Yeah. You want to keep the job?
I was like battling with that because I wanted a pickup truck, but then I learned about the fitness. I'm like, if I could get a fast truck because it's not plastic. And one time I went to pickup and I saw 51 pickup right at F1 and I was like, come on, do you want or not? And I was like,
427. Get the lighting. You got the twisty top like it's a toy. And this is the 06. C4. Rambler. Olds, man. Bel Air. No man.
hey, you know what? You used to go to Hot August Nights.
And so basically, they wanted us back at Lake Wild. The old place. And and he called literally a week later and said, "So I want to get some dates." And I said, "You're managing the band right now, so you tell him." And so he said,
No, that's sick. And the same steering wheel as me. Oh, this thing's cool. Wow.
I have an old car.
It's for sale. VW bus. U.S. forces in Germany. Oh, this thing's hella nice. Corvette. Volkswagen Bug. Oh damn, this El Camino's hella nice.
We had a real nice 67 Camaro convertible, RSSS, big block. Power windows, tilt, air, everything. What year?
Well, I mean, was it drive by the garage?
I did everything right.
Oh wow.
To look at it, yeah.
These are nice.
No, like,
We had it 32 years.
yeah.
We had it 32. That was my car.
When I got my Camaro,
RS6 Avant.
hey, at least he doesn't.
Oh, love one of these. This thing's hella nice. The carbon diffuser. C8 Z06.
Hey, bud, I'm keeping it.
They raised.
Fairlane. Damn. I don't see these too often.
House all electric. My electric bill runs.
Damn, this thing is sick. Hmm. $67. And this 409 Bel Air. Damn, look at these wheels. Those are hella nice. Damn. Sorry.
That was there when I got here. Something ranger station up there at Anderson Reservoir in the parking lot.
Oh wow.
And had the motor in it. Yeah. And Mike Stein went up there and got it out of
This
there.
thing is hella nice.
He didn't tell Steve. Steve was going to go back up and do it. He kept thinking about it. Mike went on the street to look at it.
this truck's awesome.
Or Seattle, right? It's like a Seattle summer day right here.
63 Cadillac. Thing's hella nice. Coupe de Ville. Big brake kit. Nice. Oh wow.
So, that's what is it? About an 8-inch tire? Yeah. Yep. That's where we want to go a little bit wider.
Those are 14, right?
Yep.
So you won't be able to get distance on those.
Wow.
So if you do end up buying new wheels,
Big old turbo.
Right.
you can't get distance on those.
Well, I'm gonna.
You can with the shitty ones, like you can buy the different ones. You won't be able to put real wheels on it.
Yeah. Oh, we're already thinking
Full duster.
14 and just get a wider rim. With wider tire. And again, I don't know where to take it to. I don't know how much wider can we go.
Yeah, I mean, I look underneath there. My buddy works over at Radial Tire. That's how we should put on it.
Oh wow.
That's probably what they were doing so they can sell their own bikes already. You can't pull it if it don't roll.
And they move it to auction.